Ailerons are checked. Check the rudder. Rudder is ready. Turn on all the engines. First and second, third and fourth engine is ready. Pre-flight check is done. Ask for the allowance to take off. Control tower, flight 137 is ready to take off.
Board 137, you can take off now. Have a good flight.
Thank you. Let's take off. Raise the engine thrust. Engine thrust is maximum now.
Have a good flight. A new profession is available. Tap and get more information. During the flight, you can ask for a blanket, a drink, or some food.